Alright mga katropa, here we go again. GB Flying Vlog for today's video. Alright, preparation for the big event. This coming race challenge on July 19 and 20. 2 days. It will be a preparation mga katropa. At all members of participant of this event, mag-ready na kayo. Alright, nag-ready na si GB Flying Vlog. Yan o, papalakas na tayo para sa ating race challenge. Alright, yan, bilisan natin, may truck. Hinahabol tayo. Alright, so yun, see you mga katropa on July 19 and 20, 2025 for the race challenge. Alright, see you.